How to explore the workspace in Wix Studio. So this is actually a Wix Studio website. So in here, I will show you that on our left panel, we can see in here some options, like for example, our layers, our actual pages, other options like sitemap, site styles, media, global sections, app market, business, EMS, as well as coding, also site checker, and we also have the elements right around here. So you can add those elements using this case. So this one is actually relevant, and it's also the same thing as our editor in Wix, but it with a more updated interface. So in here, the new thing with our Wix Studio is its right hand panel. Just click onto this icon right here, and you should be able to see in here the section grid for our actual design, our inspector, or our actual animation, and we also have the CMS connections. So in here, you can do a lot more things with less clicks right here. So that's how you explore the workspace in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.